Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll guide you through the process of adding money to your PayPal account. This can be done through both the PayPal website and the mobile app. In this case we are going to use the browser. Now I'm using Safari, but you can use your favorite one. Fine, so the first thing that we are going to do is to open your web browser and go to PayPal. Now we are going to account and you have to log in your PayPal account using your credentials. Once that you are logged in, click on the menu option located at the top right of the page, and from the menu select Wallet. In the Wallet section, you will see your PayPal balance. If you hadn't added money before, it will show a balance of 0. Now click on your PayPal balance, and this will bring you to a page where you can transfer money. Now click on Transfer Funds, and you will see two options. The first one is to transfer to your bank. So in this case, you can send the money from PayPal to your bank account. And if you go to the bottom, you can see that you have an option called Money In. This is an option for you to put money into your PayPal account. So well, in this case, I have this option with this application called Nuvi. But I'm pretty sure that you will have an option which says add money to your balance. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you will need to do this now as the money needs to come from an external source. Now follow the prompts to link your bank account, and once your bank account is linked, you will be able to add money to your PayPal account. So if you have any question or any suggestion, please leave it in the comments below. We hope this tutorial has helped you. If you want to see more videos like this one, we invite you to subscribe to our channel.